Hi everyone. If you're a regular here, you know that I received this beautiful guest book and pin set in a Michael's mystery box earlier this year. This one item gave me what I think is a very unique idea, and I want to share that one with you today. Also, I have a hack on how to style your candles, and it's one of my favorites. Also, I may have the reason why you're getting bored with your everyday decor. Stay tuned. Welcome back everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Now, as I said, this one item from my Michael's mystery box, which is this beautiful guest book and pen set, gave me an idea. I started thinking about, why do we use these? Well, we use these because they're for rather important occasions, aren't they? We like to have our guests write their names in the book so that we know who is there. More importantly, maybe we need a list of who to send a thank you card to. And that got me thinking, why just for very, very special occasions and events? Why can we not do something like that, but for our home? And that's why I came up with the idea of a home journal. You could take a journal such as this. I purchased this one at Dollar General. You could place this journal anywhere in your home, almost anywhere, kitchen, living room, places where you're going to be gathering with your guests and visitors. And on the day that they're there, why not have them make an entry into the book? Date it, a small statement of why they were there. Perhaps you lent an ear, perhaps you lent a shoulder, perhaps you just served them a friendly lunch. But you would have a reminder in this journal of what happened on any specific day in the life of your home. And I think it would be a wonderful thing to, years later, go back through and have those memories to recall. I wish I had thought of this idea years ago. I certainly do. And I think that this would make a wonderful, wonderful memory keepsake, especially for the first-time homeowner. How many of you have heard the expression location, location, location? How many of you out there are into real estate? No, I'm not talking about that kind of real estate. You don't tune into this channel for me to talk about that kind of real estate. No, the real estate that I'm talking about is the real estate that all your everyday home decor takes up. The location of every item in your home. Possibly, if you're one of those that's getting bored with your everyday decor, it simply could be you need to work out a little bit more real estate in your home. And by that I mean change the location of your home decor items. That simple move, it's a real estate term, that simple move will create a whole new look. It will give your items a whole new look. It will give you something totally new to look at as you sit back and enjoy your new environment. So think about it. If you're getting bored and you can't afford to go buy all new decor every year, which most people don't have that kind of budget anyway, change up the location of your home decor and see if that doesn't give you a better feel for what you see in your home. How many of you crafters out there have made your own candle holders? And by that I mean you've went to the Dollar Tree or Walmart or other places and you've purchased glassware and you've used E6000 to glue them together and you've made your own set of candle holders. And with the variety of glassware out there, there's a lot of wonderful styles that you could create. Now, I was in the store the other day and I was looking at candles. I was particularly looking at candles that are coming in their own container. And I'm not meaning the Yankee candles and the glass jar look. No, I'm talking about these types of candles. I ran across these at my local Walmart. And you know, I just couldn't even decide which ones I wanted. So I bought a set of both. And I got them home, and as per real estate, I was trying to decide a location where I wanted to place these candles. But then I had an interesting idea that, based upon putting and building our own candle holders by gluing glassware together, I looked at these and I wondered, what's the possibility? So I began to play around with them. And I just did this, and I did this. And then for something different, I did this, and then I did this. And as you can see, I have, I think, a very attractive candle display. And I can do this in 2 different ways, as you can see here. And I have to tell you one thing. Might not be to your taste, but it is to my taste. And I think this is one of the best things that I've kind of come up with, to be honest with you. And if you think of all the various candles that come in their own containers that you could stack and turn upside down, just like I have done here, I think you might find this a very interesting idea and something that you would like to try in your home as well. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.